In my series on appointment of judges, I'm again coming out with a video. I'm already having a video on the number of judges appointed by the BJP government. They claim now, as of December 11, 2016, the BJP government says that they have appointed a record number of judges to the High Court, which has never been done so far. As per the BJP government, the newspaper says at the receiving end from the Supreme Court for citing over recommendations for appointment of judges to High Court on Saturday, the BJP government claims to have appointed 126 High Court judges this year, the highest in the last 25 years. So, what I mean to say here is, there is no doubt that BJP government is doing its best, but then just by claiming that you have appointed 126 judges, which is the highest ever, and to those who are listening, I would like to bring to their knowledge that BJP government as of now claims that they have appointed 126 judges, which is a record. Now the last record was of the UPA government appointing 121 judges, and that was 25 years back. No, it's a comedy, man. If you are thinking, now the BJP government is thinking that by appointing 126 judges, they have broken the last highest ever appointments of 121, which was 25 years back. 25 years back, man. I'm again commenting it's a comedy. Do you think you have done a marvelous job, man? It's a comedy now. Government sources said that the record appointment in a single year was also noteworthy since it took place despite the memorandum of procedure for appointment of judges still be finalized. I'll read it for you. A 5-judge bench headed by Justice J.S. Kher, the next Chief Justice of India, struck down the National Judicial Appointment Commission and brought back the collegium system in October last year. Now, there has been a lot of criticism with respect to collegium, then National Judicial Appointment Committee coming, then the judiciary is not happy with it. There are so many issues coming up. And we have all seen how Chief Justice of India, Mr. Thakur, really became emotional in one of the speeches. And we all will emphasize that judiciary is an important pillar of democracy. And as I said last, not 126, the government NDA Part 2 must not put a brave front by saying that they have appointed 126 judges and they have done a marvelous job and a record breaking. If a record is broken after a gap of 120, after a gap of 25 years by appointing just 5 judges more, so I feel in a childish way, in 2017 the BJP government can again claim that they have now broken a record. Now in 2017 we are appointing 135 judges, which is by breaking the record of 2016 by 9 judges. So in the year 2016, if they appoint 126 judges and suppose they appoint 135 judges in 2017, so they will say they have broken the record of 2016 by appointing 9 judges more. So my dear fellow Indians, will you be happy? I may not be. I am sure no Indian will be happy, even if the present NDA Part 2 appoints 200 judges in 2016 as well. So at present the appointment of judges is daily required, and I think I again state and I again confirming the last video that in the present scenario, that is 2016, the BJP government, the NDA Part 2 should appoint at least 200 judges in 2016. Then only it can be said you have done a marvelous job.